Hey guys! Okay, so today I decided that I would do a back to school college edition. So I've been taking some college classes for about, okay, so technically like 3 years, okay, but the first year doesn't count because I really just wasn't in the right mind state to complete school. It wasn't exactly what I was thinking of. It just wasn't the best. So now I'm working my way back up. I got an A in my business class. I got a B in my anthropology class. I got an A in this other class I took. It was like an O. I don't know what class it was. It was like a reading class. Anyways, it was just a little bit difficult always testing so high in high school and in grade school, saying that I was always above the level for when college came. I didn't test at that level that I was always at. So it was just a little bit difficult, and then a lot of stuff happened. The year of me being 18, my father got really sick and ended up passing away, and just a lot of different things were going on in my life that kind of impacted me, where I just didn't feel that I needed, like no one was holding me accountable. No, like, you know, college is so different. So anyways, side note from that, I went to Target this morning and you'll see some clips here. So let's get ready for school, guys, because you know, who doesn't always love the back to school shopping, right? It's the actual going to class part in the mornings that sucks. But let's just dive into it, guys. Hey guys, so I'm about to be heading out to Target to do some school supply shopping, college edition. So before this, you probably saw the intro, or maybe I'll cut this out. But if you did see the intro and I made one, well, congrats, we're here again. But I'll check back in with you guys when we get to Target. It is now about 9:30 in the morning and I couldn't fall back to sleep. So bye. Okay guys, so I am outside. You can see there's the Target sign. I'm hoping it's not crowded in there so that people don't think I'm weird for recording. So I might be on my phone and I might be on this camera, so if the quality switches up, I apologize. But we'll figure it out once we get in there. I'm hoping it's not crowded, but of course it's 10 a.m. and Target's always crowded. So bye guys. You're not bye. Okay, so right now, so far I have this binder picked out with these dividers, but I feel like this might be too big to fit in my purse. So I'm kind of debating if I want it or not. So answer me that, since I didn't ever actually use conventional paper. So I'm getting a 3-subject binder, and I'll tell you why later. So expensive. Alright, at this point I'm kind of getting nervous about how much money I'm spending. So wish me luck, guys. I've got a stapler so far, some flares, and pencils and pens, so. Alright, so I'm leaving Target. I got this stuff. And I spent like $90, so that's fun. Can't wait to show you guys everything later. I'm running right now to go pick up my classes. So I'll be back. Alright, so you know, I'm actually looking pretty good, if I do say so myself, without any makeup on or anything like that. Let's just get this started, okay? So let's start with, I spent like $80 at the store today at Target this morning. I got this binder. It is a 2-inch binder, and I figured this would be perfect because the first time I had classes, I tried doing a separate binder, separate notebook, separate folder for all the classes because I thought that would be easier, but it wasn't. So might as well get everything in one binder. I'm only taking 2 classes this semester. I'm working my way up, but technically one of my math classes will be 2, depending on how fast I finish it for the price of one, so it's kind of good. So I bought this big binder, which will go with You guys are probably like, why don't you have this ready? With this 3-inch or 3-subject notebook. So what's good about this is, one, it will fit in the 2-inch binder, but 2, instead of, like I said, having several notebooks, this is so much easier. So if you're a freshman and you're not really sure what to do, get a big subject notebook, because it is so much easier than having to carry around so much shit with you. You know, like everything's all in one. You can label it on the front page, whatever you have to do, you know. And it's just so much easier to have everything in one spot and then kind of figure it out from there, which leads me to my next point, which I got. They are the 5-star divider little things. And they come with tabs back here that you could put in the sides so you could see what you're working with. And they have little pockets too, which is perfect for like extra papers or handouts or, you know, grades that you get back and stuff like that. And then I'll have one obviously for all my classes. So that's good, and I'll obviously just slide that right into the binder, so that's all with everything. And then I decided to get one notebook, one because I thought this was like a super cool print. It's a 5-star and it has these holes punch out like that, so I can stick it in the binder as well. I figured this would be good for like, say, essay papers and like papers that I don't want to get bent or all kind of messed up, just because you know, they expect your papers to be neat, organized, which leads me to my next thing. Okay, honestly, maybe you're a college student and you're watching this, but have you ever used college ruled paper in college? Me personally, I never have, nor do I ever want to. I don't like the line spacings. I think it's way too small, and I don't write that small. So I have wide ruled paper. I will stick by wide ruled paper for a while, and sorry I keep messing with my hair. It's in the middle of drying and I feel like it's getting poofy. But let's just try to keep this short and sweet. So yeah, I like wide ruled paper. End of story. If you're in college and you actually are required to use college ruled paper, why don't you comment down below, because honestly, your teacher's always like, oh, blah, blah, blah. Like in college, it's literally called college ruled paper. Never used it, so whatever. Okay, notes. This is the first year I'm getting one of these. Usually I just slip like a pen or a pen and a pencil and a highlighter either in like the spine of my notebook or my purse. But this year I wanted to try a little something different, so I always carry around so many different colored pens because I like color coding my notes and like highlighters. Like each section gets its own thing because then it's easier for me later when I make note cards, which I'll show you in a second. So I got this little, it's like, I don't know what this material is. Let me see. I don't know, but it's like that rubbery kind of bendy thing. I got these, this is all from Target, by the way. So yeah, it has like a little zipper. Open it like this. It's like that rubbery kind of, you can kind of tell. So with that, let's talk about what I'm going to put inside my pencil case. Let's start off with, girls out there, I always slip a tampon everywhere into like any pouch thing I have, so that I'll just throw in there for like emergency purposes, because you know, like you never really know. Like I track my period, but on the period tracker in the app store, but honestly that's like a whole different thing, and this is about back to school, so I just want to let you know I always have one of those in my pencil case because they can literally be a lifesaver for you or a lifesaver for someone else. You never know. So then also with that, I always use mechanical pencils, and these are just like the Up and Up brand. I got them, they're like all colorful. I think these were like $1 something for, how many are in here? 2, 4, 6, 8 pencils, so it's good. I don't like the regular pencils. I feel like they bother my skin, and I don't like them. Plain and simple. I don't like sharpening them. I don't like dealing with them. So I got these. So these will go in there. Obviously, I'll take them out of the plastic after. I just got 2 ballpoint pens. I got black. I have some blue ones at home, but I figured it's always good, just good to have an extra pen. Or just have a pen, you know, like someone might not have a pen, and now you got an extra pen for them. You'll make a friend. Okay, so then to finish off with the pencil case, so I got flares. And everyone knows what flares are. They've always been the super fun things to use and write with, but never were really allowed to. So I don't like taking notes on my computer. Some people do. I like writing it. It's just easier. And I like color coding my notes, which I think I mentioned earlier. So I got these in all different colors. These are the limited edition colors. I believe it's Tropical Vacation. 6 new colors. Guava, Surf's Up, Passion Fruit, Scuba Dive, Orchid Lay, and Papaya. So I like color coding my notes, so these will all go in there. That's mostly why I got the pencil pouch shoes, because I'll have all this stuff going on. And I got some highlighters just for basic highlighting what's important. And then I got a miniature stapler. So last year, this is like really when it came up, because some teachers don't care, but some teachers do. And my teacher needed your papers stapled, which makes sense because they were like 7 to 13 page papers that I had to write. And I didn't have a stapler, so I had to like run all crazy to the computer lab and try to get a stapler. So I just got one of these miniature ones. They were like $2.99 or something. And it does come with a stapler remover underneath and some staples. And like literally everyone will be your best friend because you have a stapler. You will be the OG fucking clout lord for this stapler, okay? Like, so many people ask. And then next, kind of with notes and stuff, I love Post-it notes. I use them. I can show you in my desk. I will show you at the end how my desk is kind of set up. I have Post-its of like to-do lists that I want to get done and all this stuff. And then plus, like, if I have assignments due that I don't have my planner with, say I forgot it, write it on one of these and like stick it on the front. Or if I say it's like study from this section to this section, I use these. Or just, who doesn't like feeling organized, okay? Like, give me a break. Anyways, so next I have this little holder for note cards. It's got like little dividers in here. And since I was almost out, because I'm the kind of person who needs note cards to study. And if I don't have them, I can't just study a notebook. I can't just study looking at the computer because I get, 1, distracted. 2, a notebook I just feel like has too much going on. So I get the color-coded, see, I'm very color-coded, little index cards. These are awesome. I believe they were like $1.30. I don't know. I can look through the receipt. But everything's from Target, and I have a Target debit card, so like I get that 5% off discount, you know. But okay, so that's that. Let's finish this up. Okay, so I did want to mention this. I bring my iPad to school with me every single time I have class. Because if I look something up on the computer, if you need something looked up, or if they give you time to start writing your papers, that's why I have this handy dandy keyboard. I got this from Target last year. It's Bluetooth connected, and it has little keys because I don't like touch screening, and plus this is smaller than carrying my laptop with me everywhere, which is kind of obnoxious. So I suggest if you don't have an iPad, maybe get one. I think they give college discounts sometimes. I really don't know. But yeah, if you don't have one, go to the computer lab, who cares? But if you do, I suggest getting one of the keyboards because it'll help so much. Okay, moving on. I got this planner, and it is by, just so you know, because this is like a dope-ass planner, it is by Day Designer, and I got this from Target for $9.99, and it has the full year in it. And what I love the most about it is, one, it comes with these little stickers. It has like 2 sheets so you can mark the pages, and then it has a little insert as well for like little random handouts. And then you put your personal information in the front. Sorry, get my face out of the screen, right? Okay, so then what's also super cool is it'll give you like the reference calendar of like all the days, like that. And then it has a cute little story about the creator. And then it has like a step 1, can you see? And then it has like a blank space. And that's basically, I'm not going to read all of it because if you want to get it cool, or if you want a whole separate thing about how I do my planner, comment below, let me know. It says start with the big picture, and it basically gives you like these questions to answer, and like says to write about your dreams and what like the big picture for your year is going to be. And then step 2 is set your goals. And then it gives you like to write down your personal goals, family, friends, relationship goals, heart and spirit goals, financial goals, work, career, and study goals. And then on the other side, it gives you an accomplished by date. And then it, like, you know, it's just, I think it's super cute. Like, I like it. Maybe you're not a planner person, but I am. And then it says design your days for step 3. And that basically says morning routine, evening routine, and it gives you like steps to do. And then 4 is stay on course, to write like important birthdays and see, it says important birthdays, trips and travel, anniversaries, family schedules, class schedules, school and church events, important work events, important personal events, fitness schedule or goals, finance goals, and then quarterly, weekly, and monthly reviews on that. And then what I love is it'll give you this with also little lines. Can you see that? It has little lines in it, so you can actually write stuff in there. I don't like when it's just the little squares, because me personally, I write so much neater with the lines. I'm sure everyone does, but you know. So, and then in here, it'll give you, okay, it'll give you today's schedule, and then a to-do list on this side with little boxes to check off, which I love. And then on the bottom, it gives you like a little spot for what to be grateful for. It says gratitude. And then in the other corner, it says this week's top three things to get done. And then it gives you a little cute little quote, like a weekly quote. It says certain things catch your eye, but pursue only those that capture your heart. So I think this is a super dope little planner. It gives you like the little tabs on the side of the month. And then in the back, it just gives you notes and like a big outline of the holidays as well. So I think that concludes everything I bought. But I also wanted to mention, I can't find it right now. I know I have one. I was going to buy one today. But a portable charger, if you ever bring your iPad to school, or you could just bring a charging outlet as well and go to the computer lab. But me, sometimes I always forget to charge my iPad because I mostly just use it when I go to school. So, and those things take forever to charge and they run out of battery somewhat quick if you use it. So like, portable charger would be dope, and then a charging cable so that way you stay all charged up throughout the day. But that concludes this, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this is helpful. If you guys have any tips or tricks that you think I could use, please feel free to comment below. Like and subscribe if you like this video. I can do every semester ones to let you guys know what I'm doing, or like what worked and what didn't work out of what I tried new this year. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see how I fill out my planner, or just kind of how I organize my thoughts. Give me a comment below. But other than that, guys, have a good night. It's maybe 1 in the morning right now, and I'm just getting a little, you know. All right, love you guys. Bye.